Charlie Crab. What go on, no tourist, why are you dealing?
Yo, me there, man, where you going?
There, man. Why, you know, a really good news still. But let me tell you what go on. The name, I call up on certain things. And you alone, you know, a lot of suspect. But here what happened? Circle larceny thing are going about the place and little car, stolen car and all kind of something. And your name bingo. But hold on now, listen to me. I not accuse you. But your name I call up. And the best thing I tell you, say, you know what happened? You have to go bring in yourself.
What do you mean my name I call up? Eh?
Your name I call up, ass man. And your name alone, but for your protection or whatever you're going in. Because you know, so when them boy they see a road and think you happen. So the best thing you do, I go in early, go in yourself.
Constable David, listen.
Yeah.
From the last time me get locked up for that little car there. And I to me the thief, you know. I wrong place at the wrong time. I never me thief. So that I never carry thief for a place I mean, you know.
Me nah accuse you. But me I tell you, say, give in yourself, boss man. Go give in yourself because your name is being called. You understand me?
So all that I go look for me, take up myself, go give in myself a crime and me not do. Then I go look like say I me do it.
It will look better when you come on TV and them see your face. Why not just go in early? Me I come to you right now and tell you something, yeah. Virgin, you hear me say? Just give in, go on a station. You understand me?
Constable David, a long time I know you, you know. I know you a long time. I know you from you have it there with the little eat that woman up a Bart mountain there until you left him growing a strawberry. So no bother with the foolishness.
Come personal about me that woman. Listen to me. Hear what me I go do? Me personally I go carry down. You understand me? If you don't have nothing to worry about, don't worry yourself. If you're not guilty, you're alright. But me personally I go bring it down there. You understand me, boss? Me personally carry down there. You don't have nothing to worry about. And if you're not guilty, you're good. You're free to go. Free to go. You understand me?
Yeah, me I say, me don't take no blame for nothing me no do, sir. Come on, cause yo.
I best make that. I feel one good. Feel one good.
Alright, Dan. Watch out, Timmy. Where you going?
Yeah, man.
Pastor.
How you doing?
How you doing, sir? How them are going over church?
You don't want to know, say, I look for farm work, can't them give you, or what if you go find?
Farm work.
But I don't know, maybe because of Monday, they might give you, you know, so I feel like say probably, yeah, I'll probably soon done, you know.
Say,
I'm boss, yeah, man.
say, like we just come out of jail, like, we can't get one of them.
Boy, I mean, I don't know, you know, but he probably soon done, but you know, they have two can give you, so just in case you go over there and you know, get none, we have two can give you.
Yeah, man,
you see me?
Give me two of them, man, because, yo, brother, I want to learn the foolishness, brother, because you see me there in the jail, brother. We kind of depend on a different meditation, a different part, you know. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Brother, listen, man, yes, enough for me, brother. Jamaica enough for me, brother.
I'm not a simple thing, man, and a long time here, bridging, so once we can do something for give us strength, a simple thing that, you see me?
Yeah, brother. But I appreciate it, dog. God know. God know, brother, yo. I'm tired of separation, brother. I'm tired of for people feel like, say, oh, they have no home, dog. I'm tired of this, dog. Big man thing.
Yo, go on over there and see if you get none. If you don't get none, we have two can gears in.
Alright, yo, bless up myself, you know, dog. Yo, me dey back in the street, you know.
Alright, I'm the man.
Me dey back here, man.
Clear.
Pagan, 1 week now, I'm not see you.
From morning, me call your phone and you not answer what?
My love, I not keep up with WhatsApp or phone number, you understand? I don't have no time for nobody.
So I go on.
But there, girl, I just come off for work and I easy.
One look happy. Bring me stress out.
Life alright for me, I don't know about you.
Stress out, let's stress out.
Um,
Go on to your daddy. Come down. Go on to your daddy. Go on out there for 3 because I don't have no money. I don't know where make you follow me for. Girl, I stress from me ear and put me to a pint. I can't take it no more, God no. Girl, no food no in my house. Me hungry like dog. Me I walk and look work and me can't get none out.
from when?
A long time this day happen, but me just never say nothing to you.
But you know you're not easy. Because at 2 times I tell you say the restaurant down Road Bridge did I look 2 employee. And you never have no work at the time. I'm telling me follow you go down there and you never want to work. And them did have one next job down
You
at the
can't tell me say me don't want the work clear. Clear, me go, but you don't know. Me not have no subject and me cannot read. When me go then give me form to fill out, me can't even spell my name. So me not get to work, they need experienced people and people who have sense, people who can read and can check their money.
Amber, stop telling me foolishness. Them they want somebody for wash plate. You don't need subject for wash plate. A foolish you tell me you never go.
I
You just not want it look like say you're lazy, you don't want to work, you never go. Now lie to me, my
Anyway,
friend.
cut long story short, and me can't bother with that now. Me not get to work that good.
Fine.
You know, so yesterday me I borrow one money from somebody. And if you hear how the girl they go on, and as somebody when me always lend money, you know. But you know, me just make it stay. You don't know, no little work or nothing at all. We go on, we could have asked again for me or God know me stress out. Me don't know what you can do for me. You don't know nothing at all.
I gotta tell you one more time. You're a lucky piece of girl, you know.
How come?
You know why I say that?
You lucky and me hungry.
Down the road, down there, so where them have the big church, them a give out some card for farm program.
How will
So,
church down there? Which church at that?
you know the big church, our biggest one down the road. Yes.
Oh.
Them a give out some card for some farm work. So anybody want to go over there?
Where you say? Me not here.
Farm work.
Farm work.
Them a give out card down this from morning. Them a
Left Jamaica.
Yes, but you know me not interested because I'm an entrepreneur.
So you know that I not tell me. Me not like that something else in there, my friend.
Amber, I just tell you say 1 week now, you know, come me yard. I'm not active on my phone. I there so my phone, yes, but I never active on my phone.
How long since you know this? Mother like to get in at program thing there.
I think 3 days them have it on now, but today the last day.
So you know if them have no more farm down
I'm
there?
not frown and them did have it. Like I say, I don't know if down there lock if everybody gonna don't know. But if you want, are you serious? Come.
No,
well,
serious girl, you ready right now.
I will follow you.
Mad.
Come.
You know see me and suffer me ready.
Just right on the think a block away.
Make sure everything legit, you know.
Come on, it looks like a whole heap of people get through.
No clear, me not come over there. Me know girl, but me not coming over there. You go on and me a stay so till you come back. Go on and hurry up, go on and come back.
So you want well, you're a little bit too late, sir, no? Because from Monday, we actually there, so I give out and something. But the thing is, you know, I did get 2 for myself. See? So I don't know if you have no can I sell myself for me one them. I free me get them, but I sell myself for me one them. Because I outbreed them. As I can see. I 250 then give away. And I get 2 for myself. So I can probably sell one of them.
So you want so lucky get two, you know, can give me one? Cause me not have no money.
No man, I true. Me did have one for one girl who me did a talk to, but me and him don't talk.
So how much you give me that for now? But that kill me my youth, cause me not have no money. I make me want one of the farm work thing to go overseas, go work. Me to build me house and set myself in the youth, then I see.
I understand the situation still, you know, but you know, it's because I hot bread and I last two, they have to just sell them to like 300,000.
Which one I three attack? Cause
300.
I don't understand the zero them. 300,000 my youth.
300,000. Call it 25 US.
I scam me. Cause me not think they fi sell.
How can I disrespect this?
No, me ask you one question. Look here, remember say me a sufferer, you know. Me a sufferer and I try. Me a try to help out myself if I can help my youth them. So if I can go lower than that, me no have the money for me right now, but me can go and get it and come back and you hold on pan if me do me a beg you. Not
Watch out, as much as how but me hear your situation say you suffer and say, me a suffer too, you know. Me a pitney, me a tree, pitney me have, you know. You understand? So if me can sell you one for me, for you can go for it, me I go make back more than 350.
all right, hold on there. Me go buy from you, but me not have the money right now. And that me just tell you. But give me it for less than 300,000 my youth. God knows I borrow me and fi go borrow money right now.
All right, give me 290,000.
All right. Kind of rough still, but
Watch out now, you listen, look. You say if you want good, your nose have to run.
all right, me can give one down payment for it.
You hear me? I say no, everything one time. No down payment, no. Because if you want good, you know, your nose have to run. And a legitimate something them here. You hear? Legitimate. I don't know bogus nothing.
You sure say straight?
Straight. Straight as an arrow. Straight like a light post, so you see right.
So you know, you keep it for her, so how can she be sure say you gonna give it to her?
No, when she carry the money come, that's how business go.
Yeah.
That's how business
We
go.
can't just say that's when you want.
I second time.
Second time you gonna try this, not try this.
No, I second time me I try look about to get friend of the farm them fi go overseas go work and me pay $5,000. I want place. I'm gonna be and when we take a stack of people they no call we and the place shut down so I want to make sure me can't bother. And I did borrow $5,000.
Hear me answer now. Just get the money and come link me back right here so.
Alright.
So what your name, man? Give her your number or something?
My name Johnny. So take my number and link me. My name Johnny.
Alright, where your number?
Johnny.
Where your number?
Oh, my number. Oh, I'm put it. You know.
My play no. My play.
You let me.
Cause no, you don't remember your number. My play.
See. As me I say. Just link me back tomorrow, yeah?
Alright, what
Just link
time?
back.
What time? Same place as well?
Same place, man. Early.
Make sure you say keep it for me, no my youth.
But you know, man, just come with the money, man. Cause I hot bread, you know, cause somebody else there link me about it to, you know, and 400,000, you know.
Alright.
We're gonna buy credit and call you.
If you come first, if you come before me. All right.
So we're gonna buy credit and call you.
All right.
what happened? You see when it get too heavy, it let it down and it come down in the rain. Alright.
Yeah,
Nice.
man.
Hold on. Somebody has calm me there. How would that there?
Come here, my big friend.
Why? I won't say no, because you have somebody hear me really see, you know. Now come, stay right here, sir. Don't move. Just stay right there. What go on?
Me there, you know.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Me not go no corner. Me know me long to see and whatever, but me I go straight to the point. Me know a long time me not see what me can't bother with that right now. Me need some money for borrow. 290,000 me want.
What? Where is it?
Post this spit on me. David, I borrow money.
Well, man.
Alone me can defend.
290?
I alone me can depend upon.
You come to me for 290?
But David, they lend me more than that already. And me try my best and give it back. You see, the first payment when me get overseas, me I make sure say, me make you get back your money. I swear to God as me hold up me right and please me I beg you do it urgent. And if me no carry the money go give the person, me nah go get the chance to go through.
I'm back. Boy, the thing I will tell me about it, the line I work for me, you know. I mean, know a lot of stuff, you know. But me I tell you, say, I probably have to go into details more and what you want for the money. I have a problem in the money, you know. You understand what I mean? I don't have a problem in the money. But you look desperate, but to be honest with you, you have to know what you do. You understand what I mean?
David, me will give you back. David, if you don't have the whole light, if I have your woman borrowed from her, she know me.
She know you, but she know me like you. So, we can't.
But I go call me name to her. No bother then. Just get here and give me.
Let's keep her out of this.
All right, sorry.
But me have a way still where me can't take. But boy, you're hard. You know, I tell you, say, you would even know.
David, me not have nowhere else to go from morning. Me they walk all over the place. Everybody they say them have this to do, bills to pay, that. And you alone me can't depend upon. Please, me I beg you, help me out. Remember me tell you, you know, say the first payment, me I make sure say me send back the money go and give you. I swear. Please, me I beg you, just make up your mind and let me, please.
Problem you have put in a key. But I don't know, I forgot to have a scheme, something different, because you know how the account go with the woman, you know. She got to know something, you know, so.
David, me pay you back. God know if I even with...
I not dispute because I know say you do that already, you know. But
yeah, but if I even figure you extra pan in, me go pay you back.
You give me extra?
Extra.
You sure?
It no matter what, anything you want me will give you.
Jesus Christ, how you talk my language, I know.
Yes, anything you want.
You know how well we know you?
Long time.
You don't scam me, you?
No, me not scam you. I swear to God. Me hold up me and them. Me not scam you. Lend me, please.
Me go lend you, but you want me know, you go make sure say, when the time come back, whatever. All right. Worry yourself. Me fine here. I give.
Yeah.
I'll give you yourself.
Please, so when me can get it, because the person, me no want the person I wait for me.
I wait?
Yes, me want if you go give me right now.
Don't put me under pressure now, man. I forgot. Jesus. You just come with me, just know me can't just be. All right, give me a little time. Just give me a little time.
But at today, me want it, you know.
Today,
because me have to go check him for give him back. So guess what? Please, just go in and make up your mind and just call me and give me it. Or just send somebody down because me want it. Me desperate because you know what the man tell me say?
In a spot, I'm going to deal with it, but I tell you, you put me in a spot up on the last minute thing.
The man tell me say, anyhow, me no come. Somebody else in there keep it for. So in don't give somebody, me want it.
I go give you no, but I tell you, say, yes. Be careful. Remember, I tell you, say the line I work with me in, I want it already. And you know what me have.
I'll give you back.
All right. Make sure.
Yes, I am going to give it to you.
I know you give me back, but me like the end part where you say and more.
Yes, anything you want, right. Me just give you.
And more. Me like the part there.
Yeah,
all right, no worry yourself.
All right. Yeah, man. All right, here.
Yeah, man. All right, take care.
Jenny.
I think going to serious, you know. After a man, me out as a wait pound. And much people come and say they want it to buy.
After last night, me also just to come meet you. Because me serious about the thing. Me not even hesitate, my youth.
I true me see sufferation for you, that's why me see it.
Police.
Then how this looks a little bit.
I right amount of money. Right. I the new money them. I saw new money them look a little bit, but they enough. A whole heap in it.
All right, don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man, you can check him, man. When you go over, you just check him.
So this site, you know, you have you just have to go online and then you sign up. You wish for you go buy a ticket. You have to have the money to buy a plane ticket separate. But that's it. So just yeah man, like that man. Just can't up neat and look.
Yeah, me looking for it.
Yeah man, see them man.
Oh, okay.
Sure, me will look.
Yeah man, everything I that man. So it was as me say, as nobody tell nobody say I'm you no buy it from. Cause me get it for myself. So you can't tell them say I'm me you get it from. So you get it for yourself. So anybody get it, you get it from over there. So you understand? So not tell them say a Johnny give you. You understand? No call Johnny name. I want to get it personally. Nobody call for Johnny name. Alright?
Don't say a word, alright?
Yeah man. Everything legit man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Foreign, me say no girl. Foreign.
So you say one around. Yo, where the man? There man, you say one. You know I'm calling about. You know say. Me have a little cafe, I want to go a little move with it. You see me? But I don't want a car for rent. Nobody rent no car. Yeah man, me have a little virgin. When you would rent car, you know, reasonable to you know. Sure. Make a link and say we can get. You see me? Yeah. How much no man? You want liar man, what a day. White now.
Let me see, let me call him right now.
I pray now rich done. There all them man, I pray now, why there for? You know, so one me left. I know so one lady me there wait for come feed to them father. Jaja know. Alright, you wanna? Yeah, I'm a Gina. I said, are you now? Forward. Now stand on the lady, man. So a person I want a good person though. Good smarty. I don't even have to ask her that in the car. You know. Forward.
Yeah, Jay. Forward now. Please.
Please, my general, I pray now.
Damn, man.
Good morning.
Alright, I bet you just I want to carry.
I did it.
I'm fairly proud, you know?
Fairly crab, I can't name that. Maybe I say you. Pray. Alright, how much do you want, man?
So look up. Clear! that and come because you're supposed to know my voice by this. Me not tell you who that, you know who that.
Hey, Amber! Where's my friend foreign shortly? Make her keep it on the down low. Make her keep it on the down low. Talk to me. I want to hear about it. I want to hear everything. So I get this, sir.
Oi. No come no further. Stand up right there, so you're in a serious problem right now.
Awa.
You know, say, me end up buy me plane ticket to go away. Eh? Me no know if this Johnny, whatever you want call him Johnny, Johnny this, Johnny that, your friend, you know him. I don't know how long you know him, but I must know you know him or a plan up here and him plan up to come wreck me life clear. Nothing no work out. Me buy all me plane ticket, gone all a airport, custom and immigration send me back. Say no name no in the system for me go on no program. How this all go?
Amber.
Right now I borrow the people. Don't call me.
Amber, stop.
Don't call me name, cause right now me get ignorant feel.
Amber, me make you talk. Me make you talk.
You know not talk yet, so girl. Me want back the people them money. Me need to go find Johnny right now.
Borrow people money. Now, listen what I'm saying. Listen what I'm saying. Me tell you say, me hear say, the people them have a program down by the church, right? Them a give out farm program, right? And some people go sign up feet who get card. You understand? Me and you go and me see the.
Hurry up and talk because me need to see this Johnny.
Me like Amber, listen to me. Me you go down there, me never know nobody. I'ma just see the young man, I'ma go to him. Me no know the man from Adams, and me and you go there together. So how you gonna accuse me of me and man put together plan for rob you
can shut your mouth and make you go look for the man.
If I'm to help you, want me can't help you, but don't come on me and come accuse me of nothing.
You put me in this, so
Amber,
in this.
me wanna go nowhere with you, you know. Me not obligated for go nowhere with you.
Come.
Me not obligated.
Come.
Can you not come?
Come and you put me in it. What you mean?
Amber, you're not come accuse me of nothing. If so be the case, me not obligated for go with you. But if you want...
Abad you want bad me up?
With you.
Abad you want bad me up? Me not force you to go, you have to go.
Me not for go nowhere. Actually, you have a friend and you know say you borrow people money.
Me not care right now, me heart a tremble, me nervous because the man rob me and gone and I people them money.
Actually, me don't want nobody beat you for them money and kill them, make me a follow you.
Right now.
Come.
Right now, anybody put their hand on me for their money. Amber, you're not sleep in peace. Me kill you with lick. God forbid. Yo,
So we have on so far.
Yeah. We are going to find the man. And you introduce me to this dirty man named Johnny. I mean, never trust a man about just because I want help. Me answer.
Me never trust him either.
Hello, sir. You know a man over here named Johnny? We are looking for one thick guy by the name of Johnny. Round here so on head side, in trim it. But up here so him have no fear and him kind of have thick body, him look nice, you know, but yeah.
Tell you the truth, me there every day slam. Nobody ever named Johnny. But because someone antique-cute over the head side, yeah, but
Him.
and a Johnny name.
Him.
And a Johnny name.
What you mean and a Johnny name? A Johnny name, me I have his number in my phone, but me I call him and me can't get him.
And a Johnny, a matter of fact, a Johnny name, and me not really know him still. Me just see them and call him on different names. But Johnny tell him I think so a thing name.
A wrong name him give way.
You clear? You nobody say nothing. Nobody say nothing because this what me in right now, you put me in there.
Hold on, I want to know.
Nothing, man. Everything good. Everything good, man. We just want to find a youth that we name Johnny. I want our cousin, you know?
All right. If you say everything good, but you know nobody ever name Johnny still. It's all like a sitting in the man. You know why?
When we four cousins, we don't know why name. We just meet him the other day. Everything good, man. You know. Maybe we and him not even nothing, and he say we and him a family.
Tell the man no go on now. Suppose him know something can help with. The man give a wrong name, obviously.
Me if you tell him man who go on, and you make me a fear tell him man lie. Cause who to tell if I know you and this Johnny make up and make me go borrow people money about farm work too.
Hold on. Me don't mean forget to mix up in another thing. But you say, when the selling us sitting to say farm work?
We hear about the farm work. You see me the program, I'ma bring her come. And him tell her say, him they have 2 ticket leave back or 2 cards, right? Him a go sell her it for how much thousands of dollars, right? She go work up the money and come. And the man get one card, the card now work and we can't find him the number though. Now we are gonna tell us on him right now.
Honest, it card them we are give out over there. A government issue. So they're supposed to be free. So if him selling something, that obviously say illegal city.
Yes, the program where them have overseas are free.
Yeah, free card, the government line up in the church and I give it to us. So if him selling no, that not someone
Farm work, farm free enough to pay for it.
well,
Jesus Christ.
but yes, so them are give it a free. So
Clear!
him selling
It's not me.
Clear. I wonder if you know, say, me now walk and I borrow people them money come do this.
hold on.
Help me, I try help out our situation, you know.
Yes, on that place first. So you better not go on somewhere else.
You don't know where you live, Me now go tell him say you tell me.
But you can't do it yourself. You want quarrel or discuss nothing, you have to do it something. So you better not go on. Go on, get it.
Clear? Are you Kasi? Come on.
Come on, man.
If you have to go sell your head or your foot, me no business. You have to give back people them money. Come on.
We
Come on.
fight out here, you know.
Come on. Are you Kasi? Make me you fight out here. Are you Kasi? Are you Kasi, man?
Worse, man.
Yo, Shirley, whatever you want name, brother. Man, I call the phone, brother. When I call one say phone, brother. What kind of styling thing that, brother? When I carry that, brother.
Watch on them, general. I don't know styling thing.
I'm not upon a talking, brother. Can I carry come give me my father? Can I carry come give me, brother? I'm not upon a talk, brother. Chewy, no, I'm father.
General, but you don't listen to me, boss. I tell you, say, me did go one party up a Portland, there, brother. And say some park the car. When me park the car and come out, me don't see the car. Somebody gone with the car, brother. So that's why I not going to get the link, brother, because I up and start trying to find the car.
Oh, you're a joker. I don't want to hear that. You're a joker. I don't want to hear that. Yo. You come on if you want. Hey. Bro, criminal enough. I'm look funny and never know. So that's why you're criminal. Yo, Timmy. Timmy. Timmy, Dan.
Yo, welcome, King.
Well, I'm going to tell you, brother. I'll tell you no love.
Your son, sir.
Brother, you're virgin, but you can't come to care, brother. About that criminal and my father.
No, man. You can't tell me so Shirley Crab didn't attack on person, brother. What's happened to your car?
Virgin, the man say, I want my car for 2 weeks. Remember, say, did it my father. Rich me a virgin, I don't want no farmer thing go on between me and my father. The man have my car over 3 weeks now. When I call the man last night, the man not tell me, say, brother. Brother, the man not tell me, say, him go party with my car. And when he come back, all this fat alone, you see. And if you take that, brother, father, now you're virgin sin, but are you responsible for that, you know, father? And you have to go check him, you have to link him. Because you know, if I see him, brother, a different thing, you know.
Alright, here me go do. Me go page him, cause
Brother,
big man.
car, brother.
No man, yeah. Me go deal with him, me go check him, because honestly,
I want my car, my father, that me I tell you, what you say?
me go deal with him. Honestly, me no know him of that type of person. And so me I say, so maybe if he say, can't get thief, maybe he get thief, so you don't think he probably should have page you, and make you know, so. Yeah, me go circle him, and if you can get him to the real thing I.
All I hear is that I rent vehicle. When I rental business, I first say about brother. I mean, I say, why this have yet more you bring a one forward, brother?
Yes.
Why am I even know, brother? Why am I care, brother?
Alright, so as I said, me go check him, and I will call you and definitely you know what I'm going, because
Brother, this because right now, brother, for my brain, tell me second, brother. First this about to me, brother.
alright, that's your word, man, because I know if your thing come down already.
You right thing, brother, because I say, yo, I never too want to feel my right thing, brother. I remember someone record them, brother.
I know a thing, man, I know it's don't worry. Me go circle, man, I mean.
Do the right thing, I link up, brother.
Alright, you know, that's your word.
You must stay back to me, brother.
Alright, that's your word, man. Hey, Auntie, what going on?
And there, man. They sit down and wait for the workman them from morning to come flash up the wall. I'll know me can't see them a come.
Sorry, good morning. So they workman nowadays, but the place look good though.
Why me can't save no money? Every little money me have, me have to spend it out on the house. Because me have to set a foundation for my children them and my grandchildren them. You know you go already.
That's how I think set, man. When you're done and ready to go upstairs, me come put on one room and one bathroom up there, you know.
Me tell you a long time. So that you have to do.
That me have to do, because I live in a little board house and I have a parent, so I want to take time to come out. But that's how I think that's still right, you know. But you say my friend Shirley Cobb come from jail, though?
And the day me see boy come look for me and he look nice, you see. Boy look good, man.
Well, auntie, one little thing good on with me and him, and right now it make me very uneasy. You know, so me carry man go rent one car from one of my brethren, and the brethren come link me and I tell me say 3 weeks now I go along. Shirley Crab now say nothing to him but in car. When he call him, he might tell him say he drive he go on party or somewhere and somebody thief his car.
So you take your good self and you know Shirley Crab reputation and you really go introduce him to somebody?
Well, auntie, I biggest mistake me make, because right now the man all a pre me, and then the man they don't know normal man, you know, man. Me no want the man all probably all do all Shirley Crab, not do me nothing, you know.
You wear how Shirley Crab hand and thief and turbulent tan. He thief all milk out of coffee. He touches and you know saying touches and he finger fearing. He hand enough for him. But me nah say, a him thief carry no. And so me say no Marco. Are your friend? I no want to mix me up, me no like mix up. Me nah tell us him thief for people them care. Me nah say so. You understand? Because sometime in life, let me tell you something. Sometime in life when people thief, everything missing. I don't know them. They say them. You didn't know that?
True, auntie. So me not judge him either, but boy, he no look right. Honestly to God, he no look right. Me not lie you. Because
So what gonna happen now?
auntie, me not even know enough to tell you the truth because me no know what I'm telling me not tell me saying one back.
Me no like this one of them sitting there, no. Me no like it. See how time I run now and how he place I run. Me ask you please this when you left here. No come back to me yard. Don't come back to me yard. Come look here. Me no want no old house come tumble down on me. You hear me, sir?
Alright.
Try go find Shirley Crab. I'm not try work out this thing. You hear me, sir? You hear
Alright.
me, I tell you?
Alright, auntie, me go figure it out. Me go figure
I
it
feel
out.
uneasy right now. Me feel uncomfortable.
Alright, no worry yourself, auntie. Me go see if me can because me tell the virgin so me go deal with it. So me go link Shirley Crab and me go hear the fullness because me have to really get down to the nitty-gritty of it and find out where really are going. Because God know.
When me ask you which part of Brethren come from, I where you live?
Don't say live, man.
Down so where?
Auntie, me not even want to get into it. Me just want the man get back.
Mercy God.
Just that are my intention. The man get back in vehicle and me just take myself out.
So you try call Shirley Crab?
Not even call him, no, auntie. Me go good on the
You
yard.
don't call him.
But just go straight to the yard and go link him and try to see if me can find out what going on. Because you see, the thing is, if you know, say, boy, I don't know nothing about this, and me I get caught up in it, is how we. But
You get caught up in a hit, you must see. Only fish alone me know get caught up in a net. But listen what me I tell you say now. No come back round here. Because I don't want no all those stumble down for me because so you can't catch Harry or catch in shot.
alright, auntie, me go make a run and see if me can go down there and go get the fullness of what go on with the man vehicle. I want you to get back in car. Alright, so if I anything later then.
Feel.
Do that, auntie, alright, later.
I go on some serious fasting and some praying because I don't like it. Some of them sit here. I don't like them go along in here, you know. I don't like them sit here, you know. I don't like them sit here. Lord have mercy, God.
David.
Come on, boy. May I say?
Please don't answer. Just listen me out. See, money we did lend me to do this up, I talk to you about. It don't work out. The program thing. This man, when name Johnny or John or whatever they may call.
Remember what I said? Hold on, no move. Come here.
Ask him, look like.
Wait now, just wait.
Sorry.
Come here. You just go around and to your mother. Leave mother tell her something what is. Zane, one, we see come. Start over. Where you say what?
It's like this man.
Name.
We call himself John or Johnny.
Name.
It seems like a scamming. Something I may talk to you about. The overseas program thing and I come borrow the money from you.
The whole I want to know.
It no work out. I can't find the man.
What?
A tricky man trick me, David.
Let me ask you something. I'm not trick you or trick me.
No, me not trick you. Me not trick you. Why would I do that?
Listen to
Me
me.
can't even find the man.
You would even
The
know.
man gone with the whole of the money. I swear to God.
Look here. You know how hard it was for me to put that there together. and
David,
come-
me know.
No, man, listen to man. I'm back. You know, look here, man. I don't know, because when me coffee will get that, my Wi-Fi, problem, because a woman will dip and search and see what look. But here what happen? By your word, somebody scam you. You know a person?
I never know him. As one of my friends introduced me to him. But you know, say me now work, and me did want to get to go since work and hear about the money.
Right.
You know, find the man.
Talk to you about the same something then, and me, it couldn't happen to me now. You, me learning because I trust you, I know you for a long time.
I know.
I trust you, I know you for a long time. Talk to you about them kind of something, it can't happen. And see, never happen to me. And I'm telling you, but how this have a work out, Because trust me.
Don't give back your money.
How you forgive me back when time have it a man gone?
No. Me know saying gone. Me know saying gone with it. But I'll give back your money. I'll try and get some work.
I don't want to hear that I know, because when you say give back, me know how them things work. And so you go, so easy, just pick up. You're not too to borrow it. And then me lend you. And something, you have to just give back. You have to say it work. Something you can just go and get and give. Because that's 2 times loss. If you take it from me, you have to take it from somebody else. But you what now? Still. Boy.
I know I can't give back right now.
And I try to tell you. But me say seriously, you know what kind of work me do, so you know said me have to get to the bottom of this and me can make sure say nothing scam me nothing,
Me no in nothing at all.
I problem you
We go wrong right there, so me no in it.
Get the money there, hard to combine and nowadays they can't just take up that the money there and give people and say, well, easy to take it with you. They give with a little loving heart and everything. And because me like you for whatever long time, whatever that, and the whole thing, I help you. You see where you come from when I'm more help you, that's the reason why. But me have to go do some serious investigation right now, because wherever it come from, me have to go find out. All right now, I can't even believe to right then sit there happen. Can't believe.
Baby, just give me few weeks or maybe 3 months.
Wait,
Just give back your
3 months?
because
All right, how this I go deal with now, Right, how this I go deal with? Because you have to go and go through and tell me everything will happen. Everything will happen. No, man, I don't saw this thing I work, man. Yo, I'm talk to now. I don't know watch TV. I don't see them something here. I don't see them something all the while. I talk to you, talk to you, Amber. I know you for years, I talk to you about them something. And I say, boy, in the back of my head, we know say sit to my talk, but we still say, boy, I respect you, I'm here for try thing. But you have to know what you are doing. You have to know what you are the man. You know what you are the boy, I tell you.
situation they don't want to little girl. And that's why I make borrow the money from you, because me have nobody else to go to.
Me know all that. Understand.
I know me go to this wicked thieving, evil idiot man, the thinking John or Johnny, who to tell if I saw his name. Because if he can take away the money so, and gone with the man disappear, nobody in that area they don't know who me at all.
Anybody will have that. The easy loophole for get the money, they might go take it. When you're giving away large sums of money like that, you have to be careful. And you should have known that. You should have known that. A pure scamming thing are going right now.
David, I'm not saying friend. And the way I have me your feet, and if the 3 months come or the few weeks come and you see me give, remember say me they talk about something.
Well, it can't be not 3 months. Action me I go take right now.
Anything you want to give, remember?
Yeah, but you...
Remember, say we did talk.
No. Whatever that you talk about, I go take months. Months of me can't make time. That's why they are roam free with money like that and things like that.
But if me not have a money figure, you will work out it somewhere or somehow else to get it back.
No, it never feel good again. Trust me. Me, I forgot to do some work then. Me I forget for it. You understand what I mean? But I tell us, boy, I've been buying one thief.
If you not believe me and David, you can go to investigate about it.
Me?
But I'm not
Definitely can't let no stone and turn for that one. You know me already. You know me about.
I don't like me at it.
You know, say, yeah. I get to party. Well, I see maybe while my woman did too. She knows me and her friend and sometimes she are suspicious. She question me a bit sick.
Alright then.
Yeah. Anyway, me I come link you. Pretty soon, and you have to give me what me want to hear, what me want. Because I know, of course, can't work. So. You hear me?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Shirley Crabby, man, up on the road again, man. They're up on the work. Walk on, more give you a talk still, you know. Walk on, already just still. Mr. Shirley Crab. Walk on, sir. There, man, how you going? They on street again, eh?
Man, you don't know they can't hold on with legends in them else.
We know you're a legend in your field still. Why are you looking places here? I can't tell, man, it look just like you.
Go. I mean, grandfather, they left it, you know, but me so what like giant, you know, like Winnie Latour or something in Karen.
That's the probability they don't use it. Anyway, when we come about still, a little thing are going on the place away. You have man scam people about overseas or work program or you want to call them or farm work. You know what they call it in Jamaica. So, I know say man in your field trying to understand and know what going on.
You mean in my field?
Yeah man, they mean in your field. Wait, where you come from? Which what you come from?
Yeah.
Say me by your field, you know what I talk about.
What you know, Constable David. Me done with them let's say from me come out of jail. Me done me learn the lesson.
You learn the lesson?
Them lesson.
Hey.
Me. Look for me. Me. Be Shirley Crown.
Hey.
Me's a change man.
Change man, you in a church. But you walk now, enough time you say that, how you end up still. Come like this somebody there where you like, every minute they are jail.
David, no matter I don't come to me work.
No, you walk me, a long and short it still. Zin? I tell you what I go on about the sickle scamming thing. Me check if you say for a year or no, I go on about. You understand me?
Well, me don't know what I go on, brother, because since me there out, me just there in my yard, brother, me didn't even go on road.
All right.
Road not see me.
But what I tell you still? You say hear nothing, or you see nothing, me I come link you up, I don't know if you come check me, but I know say you not check me, so me I come link you, and you tell me what I go on.
David, me I tell you, man. A full time now on law for me.
Alright, you what I'm still.
Everything going around the time.
You what now, you know me I go do you now still, to be honest with you. Alright, give me 1 second. Smile man, smile, look you. Oi, let me take a picture. Alright, you know what me do that for. Zin? Police work.
So on the Constable David, you see how long me I come down there? You don't get the rank yet? Eh?
What kind of question that you ask me?
Yes, then just have it down there, just I have to move from Constable to Sergeant.
Hold on, here then. You see, couple more arrests for you, me I get the promotion. Are you going to give me?
You not get no stripe.
Are you going to give me?
You can't get no stripe off of me, I'm telling you that.
Alright.
You can't get no stripe off of me.
Remember this name.
Me name Shirley Crab and you can't get no
Remember
stripe.
this name. Remember say if you don't say no, and we no care food come give you, no eat, and nobody come give you. Remember that. Just remember that. Alright. Remember that, yeah?
Things with me.
Yeah man, everything is fine.
Just know you can't get no stripe off of me. I know me I own the teeth, you know, man.
You want to go on?
I think I've put me sick on me.
Why I'm not really reach now still, you know. I'm going to say something we just start. So, we go check Rowan and couple man and so forth. But every little bit that way, we kind of know stuff. And every little thing I go and I come into, we kind of know. But we kind of go to him still, but we not really. I don't know if we approach him, they go still, because we kind of, you know, shadow suckle with it, because, you know, but you want him still. And how far me reach. But, you know, I have a little thing, I just take a picture of him still and so forth. I don't know if the boy, I think, he was still or whatever, but I even know him or whatever, but it's all you like, kind of the thing on the community moves still.
David,
Wow.
I see some man named Johnny and then call him John. For him,
Shirley Crab.
you mean Shirley Crab. But Johnny tell me say name John or Johnny.
So you don't know that you tell?
I don't know him, no. I him take it.
This a man,
90,000 from me and give me fake paper about the program.
this a man here, you take the money of millennium. This a man here, this a money here, you know.
David, me no idiot at him. Him take the $290,000 from me and give me one fake piece of paper. Say a paper about a farm figure.
You make that idiot just scam you.
Me wouldn't know.
You know everybody in the committee know the man, man.
No.
Bumba. No, seriously. Yo, you, Mr. You, and your behave some auntie a little rotted. I know, sir, I see me that one day if you didn't have something with me, I wonder if everything straight to you. But for you mention, you tell me don't know say your name and nothing still. You know what? You have to go do a little more. Yo, I don't know more investigation. For him, I go deal with it.
Me no know him, and one of my friend introduced me to him.
What you say, man? That man is a big con artist.
David, me and a friend long time, I wouldn't tell you no lie. This a man you take me $290,000 from where you led me. Him!
A prison about this, you know. This a man in and out, you know. Yo.
Send the picture to my phone. Send it to my phone.
Send to your phone and nothing for do nothing. I go deal with it.
Me want.
Whatever,
man.
but me I go deal with that, brother.
Yeah, but send it to my phone still. Alright.
I wonder if I scam you, I scam you. But anyway, me I go deal with that. It's a real big police matter because I must smell. I'm alone in scamming up. And for some way, someone I forget my money. I forget back the money.
That, I not even know if it class.
Anyway,
Chief.
if me not get back the money, you'll be still on.
I must say I did say. Yeah, I'm near you. And you know already. You know, to make it proud here. Anything you want me to give. If me not have the money to give back.
Great. Yeah, say sister, yeah, show up with someone. Yes.
Yeah, well, let me call the phone.
You know how long I call you to? You call me and tell me to check you. See? I'm going to come here and call you another yeah. No time you say, sister. If you call me, no man.
Jay, just listen me out 1 minute. That's right now. Nobody worry about that. Maybe you are calling me and me are calling at the same time. So I call them now go put you. But think about that. Because right now my head, I don't know me that spin like a gig.
That's been worse.
Let me tell you straight up. Because right now, my head hurt me. You know how much pain me take from morning. All because of this man named John. One of my friends introduced me to him, tell me how him deal with farm work program sitting. So me want one of the farm work program paper. When me go, the man not give me the paper same time. He said me have to give him 200,000. Me ball it down. He said to give him 190,000. So, no, or 300,000. 300,000 miracle, 300,000 the man did a charge me just remember. So when me ball him down, he tell me about me to give him 290,000. Right. So, me no go walk all over the place and they hustle up this money because you know me not work and me not have no money at all. $0 in my account, me no have no money. Jason, when we go to forget the 290, figure this man when name John. About the farmer thing, just listen to me now, man. So me go hustle up the money. Well, on the hustle up the money, walk on and borrow it from people and carry come back. Come look for my friend and make me my friend. Here, go get this man, tell me say name. John. Whether John or Johnny. Then we go back. The man give me one little envelope. Say the farmer program paper that night. Jay, you saw me going now and gone all one of the agency them. Buy all me plane tickets to go and see things. Me rotted. Fake. You know good. They boy have some fake paper. They go on and sell fake people.
When that happened?
Just few days ago. I don't know a long time. I look at me like no Holland for me and customer airport.
So me and your bad luck, it's your sister.
What do you mean bad lucky? Me and you sit down to you too?
Yes. Last week, we rent one. You may talk about last week, me that run. Over 3 weeks now, we rent one vehicle. You live in the road, I buy from East brother.
You rent here, what happened to you? No, you
Rent
get
out
friendship?
to one of my virgin. I don't know that I'm gonna come from your part.
You rent the vehicle and the man.
The boy, if you're a criminal, I say, from look on the boy, I'm sure I know someone have to rent a boy that I care, but two of them G can I put in it. So alright, I rent him. Call back a man now. Man will tell me say him got party. When he go back, all the spot he say, he must my car.
What you say? What you say?
Sister, right now, my grimy and my sister.
What you say?
Right now, what you make me come up and say right now, because right now, I'm in the street, me there right now, I look for the boy now.
Jay, you sure say I no plan the plan? This a plan, you plan, good plan, you know?
I'm not clear for my virgin right now.
I mean, plan to tell you like maybe boy sell it here. Jay, you have to take up this thing seriously now. You can't make it go so too much scamming and go on. Me no believe this a tricky man try to trick you. Jay, you're a smart boy.
Go a party with my car and park up my car and when he come back car down. I post for me in a rental business about.
Jay, you is my brother. Me know you're not stupid and you're not dunce. You can't make fool and you fool you. You believe boy, so when boy come back in the source of spot and don't care no did it, you better take this thing serious.
Yo, right now, you have to go find back on my car because him can't afford to come.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, from look for the boy. Say yo, the boy will like a 10. From look for the boy, I say the criminal print out for the boy. I say you wanna show me G.
Jay, every time you talk about show me G. I know G, a T, and you know the other rest of letter them in it. No G, a T, and you don't know, and you take them for your friend. You hear? Okay, so you better be careful. So what go happen now? The car miss what?
The piece of my boy, G, really do me that. I can't somebody come move my car.
Jay, the boy know about the car. How he missing? Where he there? And why not have if he care about come here?
That's what two of them know about it.
I plan. Is either them plan to thief the car, scratch it off of one place, or them plan to thief it and go sell it. And come back on Canyon. Don't take no pill so easy.
Sorry, from my virgin I call me from there about my rich and sick and snarl. That's why I'm stay to myself now.
So you never stay. Love watch people and plan and set up people life. Yeah? So if you continue pray about them, Eden yaka them wicked thief and jealousy full them up. Thief in spirit and jealousy spirit and yet ready eye spirit. Remember that. And some people where they chat about Amiji, you better fan them off. Red flags for them when you see them. You make it look. Anyway, that did I tell you for a long time on the phone. And yeah, hear you, me have to hang up and continue they call it because I'm not getting through.
That boy, that's that boy there. Book him in the road, you know. So that boy there where
Guys say they chat, me go go and me show you in picture. Put my phone. Remember, because they call you one here. Hold on. Wait. Wait there. Let me show you. All right, wait there. Hold on. Watch out. Him. Say name John or Johnny.
Hold on. Ah, this a same boy you rent my car. This a... Yo, no sir. Come on. So yo, you report every damn.
Yeah, me report it. All your things, so me get the picture of the policeman give me.
Yo, me never even got bother reporting. I'm not reporting. Yo, alright, me know me do. Yo, me shout.
Jay, you better be careful. I go on the road later.
Shirley Crab. I ask the weed.
Yo, I'm not sell liquor boy weed, you know. What I mean if I sell the weed?
You know Shirley Crab. And I want the weed for smoke. My father want it.
You hear me I say? Tell your father, say, me, Shirley Crab, don't sell liquor boy weed. You hear me I tell you? Move friends, man, and go along to your father, man, and don't come back and say, come boy, you want to buy no weed again. Move friends, a little boy.
Boy, yeah.
Hey, boy, say for them one thing. Yo, my boss said, no, little boy. Hey, Shirley Crab. Hey, boy, police move. Hey, boy.
What? Look. Me bum. Hold on. Me bum. Jano. Why that the man that Tirat if you go run the same Tirat? It's alright, man. Know yourself. Know yourself. You look a clip for me and not teeth in. I will catch you. Yeah, I will catch you.
So my car there. Eh?
Brother, I don't have a car, my boss.
That man, you know, find hands out, eh?
I don't have a car, my
Oi,
brother.
listen to me. I'm gonna put one in your fight. Hey boy,
Please,
my
no kill me, no kill me, no kill me, boss.
Like a play thing you out.
Listen,
Like man, hey boy,
Yep.
what happen? You like a pick man pick up money out.
I tell you something.
Aye, me know why you know black clock nice. Tap a pussy clock nice. One thing one here, I want me car there.
I tell you something, I go to Portland and I'm stepping going around.
Lion, what me car there?
Me not tell you.
Watch it. Hey boy, come like a plan and a plan up a movement vehicle in a book.
No, my boss. Me not have me. I tell you something. Me the day at Portland, my boss. And me going around.
Yo, I know why you know. Back a chatting in the my youth.
But
I say what me car there. And you know say you know say, me just feel like a you alone movie.
brother, me I tell you, say I know
You.
me. I know me.
Cause for everything, nah do that.
You not kill me.
I blow it. What me carry? Just tell me, hey boy, you feel like me a blood clot for you, the pussy. Listen me, I say pussy, you hear me I tell you? I 2 days me a blood clot here, yeah. 2 days me a blood clot here, can't carry me, yeah. A 2 days, or 2 shots in your blood clot for you, yeah.
Yes, my boss. Yes,
Me a blood clot, I tell you, pussy. Look at me. What?
latest accident in Little London, Westmoreland, has left a motorcyclist hospitalized in serious condition. There were also 2 other reported incidents between last Friday and Sunday in the area. Tour bus operator Brian told our news team the animals are a constant bother.
Many times I've been traveling the road and I've seen these cows plaguing us on the road. I wouldn't like to be going that route, taking my guests to the falls or wherever, and these cows come out and mash my vehicle up, injure the tourists and all of that stuff. All right, so the relevant authorities, we want them to just do what they got to do to make this problem solved.
Auntie,
What?
you don't hear what God?
What happened?
Auntie, you know what say? Papa News. Me just watch a video, you know. Say Richie crash. Done a hospital, lead on.
Which Richie?
Which other Richie we could have thought? No feel with family.
For me, never Richie.
Yeah, no feel with Richie. Me here saying crash in our cow down a little London. I go on the grill.
What you mean crash?
Which other crash? Me mean the car crash. Down a hospital.
A taxi in the dinner?
No. Yeah, from where Papa I say, it look like I car with thief in with road. I don't remember what car name. You see him car with down the road where they say thief.
So who did I drive the car?
Him. And him
Him did I drive the car?
Yes, and him alone there in that car.
After me don't know if Richie can drive, since when Richie can drive car?
I don't know, I never even think say have license.
You sure son of him or Shirley Crab or not Shirley Crab that years a crash?
No, the Papa I say I only him there in that car.
So
say,
Richie not this left from you. And tell me say Shirley Crab rent car where introduce Shirley Crab to some man or the other sort. You make me head hurt me, man.
I don't know what, but I know say Papa I say him alone did there in that car and him crash at the hospital alone.
So since when he can't drive, me not happy me have license.
I don't know. It look like a him thief car. I don't know.
Say Richie TV car. Are you sure so take him back from Shirley Crab?
Papa I say more news coming soon.
Mighty God.
So
They may sit me on a sun right.
I don't know.
Me confused. Lord have mercy.
What? Radar,
No, sir.
Me talk to you later here because radar fuck. We need to go out inside. Come on,
Lord have mercy. So Richie can't drive since when Richie can't drive?
I don't know. Me not even think say have license.
He no have no license. It's not a problem, a big problem, you know.
Probably you know hear some I even come in caution.
That's why you not fit judge a book by cover. You can't judge a book by cover.
Looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.